Hi, I'm Lisa Westcott Wilkins. I'm with Dig Ventures, and we are an archaeological social enterprise working with the Morecambe Heritage Group on a dig this July. It's a very rare opportunity, actually, to scientifically excavate a Bronze Age burial mound, which has not been touched previously. So it's not been plowed, it hasn't been previously excavated, and we are very, very lucky to have won an HLF grant to excavate and involve the community in that project. This is going to take place in July this year, from the 4th till about the 20th, and we'll be based right here on Morecambe Prom in the Morecambe Heritage Center. So we'll be involving local community in the dig, and you can find all the information about how to get involved on our website, which is digventures.com, but also during the dig, we're really, really hoping that anyone passing by on the prom will pop into the Heritage Center, where we're going to have archaeologists working all day, every day on the things that we found and that we're bringing back down. This is where we're going to clean the finds. This is where we're going to record the finds. There's going to be tons of action down here, and that's why we've put Indy in the windows. We want people to see that and to realize that this is the place you come for archaeology. Indy was one of the original promotional statues that the big American movie studios sent over to the UK when the very first Indiana Jones movie came out. And I was lucky enough to find him on eBay, and being an archaeologist, it was an opportunity I just couldn't pass up. Indy's been in bits in my garage for the last year or so, just waiting for an opportunity to come out to play, and we couldn't pass up the opportunity to have him in the window for Carnival.